Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I share with you guys how I prepare this delicious stew. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. Please, if you are hearing any noise in the background, I am sorry, bear with me. And I will introduce you guys to the ingredients as we cook. I have some oil in the pot which is already heated up. I added one onion just for the onion to release the flavor while frying the fish. And I'll go ahead and add the fish. Once I add the fish into the oil, I just go ahead and cover it up to avoid splashing. I don't like to fry something, but today I don't have option. I have to fry it. So once the fish is perfectly fried, I just remove it from the oil and set it aside. I added some of the oil that I used to fry the fish and some palm oil in the pot and allowed to heat up. Once it's heated up, I added some chopped onion, a lot of onion, and I added locust beans, and I will stir fry this for about 2 minutes just for the onion and the locust beans to marry each other. What I mean, just to release the flavor into the oil. This few minutes later, I'll go ahead and added some crayfish and then I'll just stir it together for some few seconds, and at this point the aroma in my kitchen, it's heavenly. Once I stirred that together, I went ahead and added the pepper mix. I have a video on how I prep and store this pepper. I will leave it up here, you can check it out. I added one seasoning cube, you can use more or you can use less. I added some salt, I add some water into the bowl of the pepper, mix it together, and then I pour it into the sauce. I will stir everything together, cover and allow to cook for few minutes. This is few minutes later and the sauce has cooked down a bit. I just go ahead and add the fish, and I have one egg left over. I add that as well. I will stir everything together and continue to cook until it's perfectly done. If you have watched up to this moment and you haven't given me a thumbs up, please smash the like button on the video. I would really appreciate that. Thank you. I tasted for salt and everything was perfect. If you need salt or seasoning cube, feel free to add. At this point, the sauce is perfectly cooked. I'll just give it a final good stir and allow to cool down before I store it in the freezer. You can have this sauce with some boiled white rice, with yam, with anything. It's so versatile and it's absolutely delicious. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.